Yes, hello, welcome to Crypto with Kabaka TIMO. Happy New Year, guys. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since I've done a new video. But this is 2023. I'll still be dropping new videos, so remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. If you're buying crypto in 2023, it would be very advisable if you put your crypto to work. What do I mean when I say if you put your crypto to work? Get your crypto and stake it. Like on Binance, you can stake it and earn an interest on it instead of letting it lie into your wallet. Please, if you're not going to withdraw your crypto soon, put it to work, get more interest from it, and then make money from it. All right, so in a while I'm going to show you how you can use Binance Earn to stake your crypto that is in your wallet so that you don't let it be idle. All right, so remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. Crypto with Kabaka TIMO. Okay, so once you log in, your platform will look like this. Just say here to earn and say Binance Earn. Okay, Binance Earn has all the solutions when it comes to staking, farming, simple earn. And once you click on that Binance Earn, this is where you will come, and this is how your platform will look like. Okay, so this is Binance Earn, and once you log in, okay, you can stake your Binance and put it to work so that you can earn an annual interest every year, right? And it is calculated automatically. But the good thing with Binance, you can select which days you want to stake your coins. Okay, so there is simple earning, stable earnings, zero fees. There is staking, there is DeFi staking, there is Ether staking, there is farming, swap farming, liquidity farming, your investments. Here you can if you have 2 coins, okay, in your wallet. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to stake my Lazio tokens. For any one of you who knows the Lazio football club, I bought their tokens, so I will be staking some of them. All right, so these are my available assets, and they'll be giving me a return of 6% on my coins, and they have a flexible plan. The duration of days, you can see here, duration of days is flexible. Okay, the duration here is flexible. As you can see, Solana is giving you 7.9%, Avax is giving you 10%, Bitcoin is giving you 1.5%. So even if you plan to hold Bitcoin for a long time, it's better you stake it also. All right, so I'm going to subscribe for their plan. See, you see, meet simple earn. All right, so let me see, I have 10 Lazio available, and this is what I'm going to do. So I'll just press max. Okay, max, I'll be earning 6%. All right, subscription date is today, 22nd, first. Interest duration also is this. All right, so I'm going to do auto subscribe. Okay, so every day when the staking is finished, it will have to repeat automatically, even when I'm not on my computer. Okay, this is how it works. So after that, I'll say I have read and agreed with the Binance Simple Earn Service Agreement, and then I'll say confirm. Okay, subscription successful. Congratulations, you have just staked your Lazio, and that is how you make money there. So if you have a lot of money in your account and you want to make more profits, this is another way. Remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. Yeah, let's look at my investment that I've just done. You can see I staked BUSD and I staked Lazio, so we are good to go. All right, then we can go back to my overview. Okay, give me a like, subscribe and share. Let's go.